So, g'day people, how you going? I'm just reading the news, and apparently, there's legislation before Parliament about anti-bullying, and you would see individuals fined up to $105,000 for sharing revenge porn. So, if you're an idiot and you break up with someone and you share naked photos of them, or I don't know, videos of you having sex or anything like that, you can be fined $105,000. And that's great, because you're an asshole. And what else is there? So, I should introduce myself. My name's Glenn, and, well, I make videos on Australian English, but today I just wanted to do some fun and have a look at the news, because I don't look at the news that often. So, today is, well, bullying. And this is in SBS. I should actually look up this on other websites. And 31,000 complaints of illegal and offensive online content over the last 3 years. 31,000 since last June into probably recent figures, probably be March, February probably, because they're probably tallying March. 264 complaints to the Commissioner. Now, this is just online bullying, so cyberbullying. So, this would be, include harassment from school kids to each other, probably bullying someone that you don't know on the internet, which is quite common actually, especially, on YouTube. Get a lot of idiots leaving comments. Some of them saying they're going to kill you or going to bat you. All they hosts, blah 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 blah. They're just mouthy people. If you actually met them in real life, the majority of them would just shut up and run away because they're little cowards. There will be a few crazy people, but personally, if someone threatens me, I go ape shit, man. Oh, well, I'm not crazy, but I don't take shit. What else? So there's going to be unified legislation, looks like, on bullying. So what should you do if you are bullied? Quite frankly, go to the police. Go to your local police station, but make sure you keep evidence, because it's online bullying. If you have a PC, you have a snipping tool. Okay, so you go into accessories on your computer, snipping tool. You take all the pages, and each page you snip, and you save it to a specific file, and also save it on USB. And also, if it's on your phone, you can actually screenshot it, screenshot everything, but also download it to a USB. So it's important that you have it on a safeguard. The USB is the safeguard. And, well, you have 2 copies, alright? Take 2 USBs, one for yourself that you keep, another one when you go to the police. You submit that as well as evidence of the crime committed. Now, some people go, with those who are crying about bullying, maybe they shouldn't be on the internet. Well, there are all different types of people on the internet. There's a lot of some people are really sensitive, and that's just why they are, either genetically or maybe they've grown up and something's happened and they've turned that way. So with those type of people, you just have to be sensitive. If you know that person's going to get upset when you say something, just shut the fuck up. Don't be a dickhead. I know there is some people that just don't know to shut up, and sooner or later they'd say something wrong to someone, that someone would turn around and just smash them in the head, because that person so when someone can't take something, there's 2 things that they do. They become withdrawn and they become sensitive and probably cry and that, or they get violent. So, which one are you going to pick on? Obviously, you probably pick on the sensitive one, but if you don't know that person's violent, and you pick on them, they turn around and hit you, well, it's a pity that violence happens, but that's the way life is, and it always will be. Because humans are variable in their behaviour, because of their genetic makeup and the different ways people are brought up. So, even though I'm not a psychologist, this is just my experience. If you want a psychologist's point of view, probably look up Jordan Peterson. He's quite good. I like a lot of what he says, but what he says about atheism negatively, I reckon it's bullshit. Being an atheist myself. So, okay. So, June. And that's about it on, the bullying part. So, the ideal thing to do is just don't bully people in the first place. Because it depends. Oh, bullying, that brings me up to Leafy. Leafy can be construed as bullying because each video is about a person, and well, that can be construed as bullying, and it could be either a crime or not depending on where you are, and that person can actually sue you. But generally, Leafy picks on people that have either bullied someone before or just being a total idiot. And a few videos are just in replies to people making videos about him. But shit happens. Personally, I don't care if someone tries to bully me. It's not going to work. And that's about it on bullying. So please don't bully. Have an awesome day. Just enjoy your life, because it's all you're going to have. Hooroo.